And we're back to more Mario RPG.
This place is cursed.
Yeah.
Everything's smiling at me. I don't like it.
The hills have eyes, Mario.
Yeah. And they're always watching.
Yeah. So, behind the scenes footage, because you're probably wondering why we're back up on the cloud.
Yeah.
I forgot to save.
The man goofed.
I goofed hard, and we had to redo the Valentina fight.
Yep. Fire bombs and all.
Oh, yeah. So, now we're safe past that, so everything's good.
Yeah. I despise everything about you, kid.
You had to stop and come back just to say that.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I think we're off to the volcano.
He knocked me out with the stupid puppet doll. Wait, can I buy something here?
Oh, maybe you can, yes.
Yeah, this guy. Good to see you again. I'll show you my inventory. A lucky jewel.
No, we're good.
Mystery egg. I have no idea what it does. Sort of grows on you, huh?
Yeah.
Not for that joke. Alright. That was
I
shiny.
think you do have to buy those before he'll sell the third thing.
Oh, I thought you... Someone sells me a cookie. I forget who.
Yeah.
Fine, you merchant. you weasel.
So now...
Nope.
Yep, come back. Leave and come back. Like, leave Moleville and come
Yeah.
back in. And
Are
you
you-
should have it?
Are either of those items even useful?
Not really. I've never used one.
Gotcha. Yeah, if it wasn't for the limited inventory space. Nope.
Well, okay, so I guess it is just beat the volcano first.
Yeah. But yeah, if it wasn't for the limited inventory space, I'd probably somewhat care.
Yeah. Now, I am going to suggest we go find a holy water.
Like how many?
Just one.
I feel like it'd be easier just to go here.
Yeah, I think just...
I don't think any. I don't know if any shops buy any. I
Yeah.
mean, sell any. Well, I do know these buggers drop a whole bunch of it.
Yeah.
They even have a chance to do anything.
The other place we could have went is Kira Sewers.
I just find it easier going here.
Okay. Ew!
Oh my god, that smell!
My dress!
My everything! It's in my mouth! Oh!
Pure water.
Yay!
That's what we needed, I think.
Is that for like the second form?
Yep.
Alright.
We're gonna do a little neat trick.
Oh, we're gonna Phoenix down the train, as it were.
Yep.
As is tradition. Wait, is there a way to get to those chests during the big fall?
Not during the big fall? I forget, actually.
I knew the real prince could be that heavy. 3 cheers for the real prince. For some reason, I just see all these people as hillbillies. Is that odd?
Yeah, I don't know. Seem like airheads to me.
Good enough. As
So you want to follow the end and just go into the spring area.
Alright. Well, yeah, I just need to check to see if there's anything new. I'm looking for something. Look in your eyes. What can I do you for?
You might want to just get some maple syrups. How many of those do we have?
3.
Yeah, we can get rid of some evil juice. Actually, we can get rid of all the evil juice.
Oh, freshen up is better?
Freshen up's better.
I could probably waste that thing.
I wouldn't waste too much space on mushrooms either.
Okay.
Like, are we keeping Peach as our healer for the whole thing now?
Well, just for emergencies, I like to keep a mushroom or two around.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Curse this limited inventory space.
Yeah.
Hey, I wonder, should we go to the, Dreamland?
Yeah, we might as well try it.
See if we get anything useful from it?
Yeah.
You want to take a rest? I'm sure that's why you're here, since you know, You want to use the dream cushion rest? Give me 3 more coins.
I'll try anything once.
Yeah. I'm sure nothing once can kill you. Good dreams are fun entertainment.
Mario, any port of the storm Mario is what they call me.
Yeah! Mario! I've kept this a secret till now, but I'm really a monster! Yay, nightmares!
Ah!
What's going on?
I was watching you.
Oh! Nightmare monster! Mario! Are you alright? Get away from me, demon of night! Oh. You were kicking up a sweat! I was watching you all night doing it! Here, drink this and blow those bad guys away! Later on you can...
Oh, hey!
Yes, this is goodbye! For now.
Oh, wow. We got that right off the bat.
Yeah, isn't that the most useful one?
Yeah, that's the rare one.
Because I know where some other ones are, but I don't want to get them yet.
No, we'll pick those up before we go to Bowser's Castle.
Yeah.
My usual goal.
Yep. I mean, who doesn't want free invincibility for 3 turns?
Yeah.
Think of
This isn't how you get to the volcano.
Alright.
Fall in the hole.
Back where the hot springs are?
Yeah.
So I gotta go back in here?
No, go where the hole is. The entrance.
Oh. Oh, right. I go to the east.
Yeah. Now these 2 idiots will move.
Up ahead are the heart springs. Only royalties allowed, though. Hey, you're the real prince! Sorry about the misunderstanding before. There's no way that Fatbird could have been a prince, huh? Since we're all clouds and stuff?
Yeah.
Why would a cloud person want feathers?
No big deal. Anyway, do you think you can let us through here?
Of course! Go right ahead, please enjoy yourselves. Be careful not to fall in the volcano, that means certain death. And we didn't put up a fence or anything, so just watch yourself.
Yeah. Funny how we lost 5 kings that way.
Yeah.
There, you're fully healed.
What does it say? Danger. Beyond the cliffs is a volcano. Don't fall off, you idiot.
Yeah. They finally put that up.
No! I have to jump.
Life's not worth living.
Gulp.
Game over. God, I love the music in here.
Is it so upbeat?
Yeah.
Bones. Wherever you are. More flowers. Wait, I just kind of realized something.
What?
Mallow, you could be useful again.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. Magnus.
Yeah, I just womp on it. It doesn't have a lot of health, it just has a lot of defense.
Red. Fowler up!
And now it has even more defense.
Oh, I thought the blue one raised the attack.
No, I think it's red raises attack, blue defense.
Never mind, it's got murdered!
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish the auras were more clear.
Yeah, might be opposite in this game, because I'm used to red being up.
Oh, gee! Ah! Must murder all I see! Come here, you.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
done.
some level ups.
Yeah. Ah, my bloodlust has been sated.
Yeah, 16's always HP.
Yeah. Anyway, you were saying before the madness came overtook me.
Oh, I was just saying that like the Auroras don't.
Oh, I don't have a lot of hit points. Just one of those. Oh, we just have an obnoxious amount of defense.
Yeah.
I got a fizz.
Yeah, nothing in here really likes that snowy.
Every guy gets fizzes, man. I'm referring to the monsters.
Yeah.
He just wants to party. Bones. I am not bothered with that coin.
Yeah, no point.
Because I honestly don't know how to get that without taking damage, and I'm not sure there is a way.
I don't think there is. I
Yeah.
think you have to take the damage.
This has solely to do with the ant.
Yeah.
Wow, I think this cut right through them all.
Oh, yeah. This is where Mallow shines.
Wow, elemental resistances now matter.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Yeah, it's not like we're fighting a fire or anything.
Yeah.
Take this! My mortal enemy!
We're fighting actual elements, guys!
Yeah.
And ape people! The apes are taking over.
Oh, wow, that actually killed him.
Because he didn't have enough to live on. Yeah.
Damn it.
That's the worst. I'm pretty sure the guy is coming up, so...
Yeah.
You know. What's the point of having magic if we don't use it? Am I right?
Yeah.
I love this!
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice if I kept momentum.
After you hit an enemy, yeah. Oops.
Frog coin.
Yeah, you can fall into the lava and get it.
Define fall into the lava.
Go touch the lava. When it jumps you back, it'll put you on top.
Like nearby?
Yeah, just like right in front of you. Here. Just touch the lava.
This lava makes no sense.
Yeah.
Well, those two would just be a hassle.
Yeah.
I remember I thought there was a penalty for him.
Also, lava doesn't hurt you when you touch it.
I swear there was a penalty. Like, I lost money or something, or am I thinking of something else?
I think you're thinking of something else. This is just, it's obnoxious because it kicks you back to the last exit you were in.
Yeah, that is obnoxious. Rude, sir!
Yeah, but they're not doing much. And again, she doesn't do much back, so...
Oh, right, it's the shell.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish that said once again.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, great, Mario's madness went to his head again. Just swinging the shell around like it's a mace.
Yeah.
Oh, you were pleasant.
Yeah.
I'm in the barrel volcano, wrecking my ass off. Gonna beat this guy. Stump it. Alright, that's what you wish to choose to call yourself. Who am I to judge?
Yeah, exactly.
The monster's getting furious. I'm about to blow my top, and you ain't gonna like it, says he.
Might as well just punch it.
Ah.
Okay.
She can take a punch. Backfire! This is how I blow my top.
Wasn't that much damage, buddy.
Yeah. You hit the wrong one.
But she was the healer.
Yeah.
She is heal tank princess.
There's a mouthful for you.
Yeah.
Heal tank princess activate. Ah, crap, I got the bones.
Yeah, well, it's almost super attack.
Alright, I forgot about that.
You might as well just have Mario hit the stump it.
You got it.
And now we'll use Snowy.
Huh. You don't usually fight undead that's vulnerable against ice.
I know.
For some reason, they're resistant to it. Wonder why. He's getting... Oh, I'm getting so mad!
You're still better off just using the shell.
It's that powerful, huh?
It's really that powerful.
Congratulations, Mario. You no longer need to use specials.
No.
Evidently.
Unless you want to crab control. Then. Or something's really weak to fire. Hey, we got pure water.
Another one.
We didn't need to go off and find our own. We could have just waited. Damn
yeah. Yeah, I know, right? It's like we just need some patience.
Honestly, I forgot there was dry bones in here. Thunderbolt.
Yeah, I figured. Oh, magic, my one weakness. Ah, life, my other weakness. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, so mana's the next one. What are you?
I don't know.
Even I don't know. I question existence every day of my life, question mark. Well, my only concern is to end you, so. Thank you. I know, but I like getting the bonuses.
It doesn't matter. Like, the way this works is it does still give you a boost on everything,
Alright.
and then you just pick an extra bonus.
So, you're generally better off just to take the bonus.
Yeah, you're always just better off taking the bonus regardless. We're gonna need maple syrup.
All the maple syrup.
Mallow eats through a gosh darn lot of freaking...
Yeah. I mean, I could have put the Scrooge ring on someone, but that's one slot wasted on something that could have been boosting them.
Yeah. Actually, the Scrooge ring on Mallow wouldn't be a really bad idea.
Well, it doesn't have to exclusively be on Mallow.
Well, right now, because we're going to be abusing the hell out of Snowy.
You are aware that magic is shared by everyone, right?
Yeah, but Mallow's using the most of it right now.
Yeah. Well, I meant that the effect would the effect still be there if someone else wore it?
No, it only works on their attacks.
Oh, okay. Oh well, too late.
Yeah.
Time to continue murdering things. Screw you. No. Alright.
Oh, you didn't want to come back to life. Okay.
Ah.
Damn it. Damn it, dry bunch of fruits.
Stop confusing me with your non-living. Oh,
Oops.
look.
Oh no! Oh,
Why do they always come after me? She says.
yeah.
Do I look like a brunette? You're close enough. Aw. Please no. Huh.
Well, I can't wait until we get that frying pan for you, Peach.
Yeah. How much does that compensate for the shell?
Quite a bit. Like, she'll hit... She's still not going to be your heavy hitter, but she'll hit quite decently.
Okay. Something about this guy I just trust. Hey there! Whew! I thought I heard footsteps for a minute. I thought it was nuts. I'm Pinocchio. This place is oregano inferno. Come on, step inside.
Is he Italian, or...?
I do not remember anymore.
Yeah.
That's how avid I am. I know what you are. And we miss all of you.
Yes, we do.
Welcome to the inn. Starting to encourage you to your room. You stay in gray, I'll get everything ready for you. Sleep on the boxes. Wait, what?
Oh, the worst inn ever.
Oh, my back. Wasn't that a cushy bed? You lying. Armor shop.
Okay, so we don't need the dress, obviously.
Oh, yeah. I have a feeling this guy's lying to me about something. How does fire make determination happen?
The burning passion of warrior.
Okay, stop.
Whatever that.
Stop.
Whatever that BS is.
Just stop.
It's quite better than the... Yeah.
For some reason, I feel like I have the sensation of being on fire. I think it's just you.
Yeah, just get rid of the fuzzy.
Yeah, who wants a fuzzy? You just get dizzy from them.
We can't get rid of the chump. That's the only thing we can't get rid of.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, I was saying. Who wants the fuzzy? Just get dizzy from them.
Oh yeah, he doesn't sell weapons.
Oh.
We are stocked.
When am I going to use it?
Yeah.
When am I going to use that?
Or that, to be honest.
I sold it for the convenience, nothing else.
Yeah.
Let's see, there's a save point back here.
No, there's one up ahead, too, I think.
Yeah, I know I'm trying to come back, damn it, let me in. I need to get past you to a save point.
But we'll have to call the episode here.
The weirdo's watching us.
As they should.
Okay.
But until next time, have a good one, everyone.
See ya.